Hi people, so today I'm gonna do stuff about my brother's Rubik's Cube. So this is 4x4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3x3 Rubik's brand. 1, 2, 3. This is 3x3 Cyclone Boys. 1, 2, 3. This is 2x2 Cyclone Boys. 1, 2. This is the one he created that I thought it was really cool.
Floppy Void.
So do you want to do a little scramble for us?
Okay, so this is my Floppy Void puzzle. It's a floppy cube and also a void cube, so it doesn't turn how you would expect it, but it'd be hard to turn it how you would expect it with no core. So, I guess it is possible, so I'm just doing a little quick solve. So I'm color neutral with this cube. You don't really have to be not color neutral to solve it. Anybody can solve it.
So, tell us how you made it.
Well, that's a secret. Because I don't want anyone copying me.
So, next, you need a Lego Rubik's Cube. It's a 1x1.
No, it's a 1x2x1. It spins like this. And there's the core.
So that's cool. This is 1x1, impossible to solve, right, Bob?
Yeah.
And then let's show them our spares. So this is one we found on the road.
I found it.
Yeah. And this is a spare.
It has the same sticker like this.
So that's all I wanted to do for today. Vlog about my brother's Rubik's Cube.
Putting stuff back in order.
Leave a thumbs up if you like it, and
I'm working on a new puzzle.
Yeah, and I'll vlog about that too. And please comment if you have any of those. And like send us videos and stuff. Peace out. Bye.